4WD. Talk about useful. This rugged SUV gives you the extra room you'd get in a truck but with better legroom and amenities. Only 69k miles on this 2004 Ford Explorer Sport Track. Air conditioning, CD player, front anti-roll bar, front wheel independent suspension, power steering, power windows, and rear anti-roll bar. How reassuring is it knowing you are always prepared with the all-around performance of this great-looking 2004 Ford Explorer Sport Track. This talented Explorer Sport Track is the SUV with everything you expect from Ford, and then some. Family-owned and operated since 1951, Irwin Toyota Scion Ford Lincoln Hyundai is an NH dealership committed to getting you the best deal on pre-owned vehicles. Never worry when you buy a used vehicle from us. Our worry-free guarantee includes 1. Money-back guarantee. 2. Vehicle exchange promise. 3. Live market pricing. 4. Free real deal report. 5. Free Carfax. 6. All vehicles are priced thousands below book value. 7. Service department performs a 125 rigorous inspection. Ask your sales consultant for details. You can feel confident in our low advertised prices before you buy. We empower our customers with the real deal, an independent, live, and objective price check system. Not only will you see the prices for our vehicles, you can compare the prices, trim levels, and mileage of similar vehicles in real time. Just email or call us and we can send you a personalized link to view your own real deal report. It's that simple, and best of all, it's free. Our live market pricing is another way we demonstrate our pre-owned vehicle pricing transparency. We do careful market research of similar vehicles within 250 miles of Laconia NH and simply price ours to be the best value, saving you both time and money. Each vehicle purchase comes with an automatic enrollment in our Owner's Advantage Rewards program, including to service and parts credits. And every fifth oil change is free. Call or email us today.